Hey, what is up guys? John here at TechMoGo. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the TCL 20 Pro 5G. Alright, so in this video we'll unbox this, we'll see what we get inside, we'll check out the features and specs, we'll set it up, and I'll give you my first impression on the phone. So first thing, let's check out the box. It comes in this white box here with the TCL branding up top. We've got TCL 20 Pro G, very minimalist. Got the same branding on the side here. So yeah, let's open this up and see what we get inside. All right, so first thing, you get the phone. Take a look at that later. Set that off to the side. We'll see what else we get in the box. So we've got a case here with a user guide. Take a look at that later. Again, case, very nice. And we've got a charging cable. It's a USB-A to USB-C. I won't open that up just yet. And we've got a power brick. Apple, where you at, man? It's very nice that this one comes with a power brick. And before I almost miss this is your SIM ejector tool. You want to hold on to this, don't lose this. So pretty straightforward. I like that it comes with a case and your charging brick and cable. So now let's take a look at the phone here. I haven't had an Android phone in a very long time. I switched over to the iPhone when the 5 came out. That was like, what, 2012? But back in the day, dude, I loved my Samsung Captivate. I started with a Captivate back in the day, then they turned into the Galaxy. But when the 5 came out, I decided to switch. But I loved it, being able to modify them and making them or customize it to the way I like them. And again, this is TCL's flagship, I guess. Came out a couple years ago, but still very strong phone. My main thing was I wanted to get an Android phone so that I could use it also to test out the earbuds that I review. That way it's not just iOS. We've got Android now. So let's turn this on. See if it's got some power. TCL, powered by Android. Very nice. All right, guys, let's take a look at the phone real quick. First thing that catches my eye is that screen. It looks awesome. Very nice. Not sure how I feel about the rounded edges here, but the screen is very nice. And it's nice and fluid. It's only 60 hertz, but just for basic browsing the internet and watching some YouTube, I think it's fine. And I will put up some specs of the screen right here. And then on the back here, this portion is matte, like a matte gray. Then we've got some glass here. It's a little fingerprint magnet, but that's all right. And then we've got flash. We've got 4 lenses there, and I'll put up some of the specs for the lens. All right, as far as battery, I will post up the specs here. All in all, this phone is pretty sick. And I did run a stress test on this using, how do you pronounce that? N22. And this is what we got as far as the score goes. It's on the lower end. I was looking at specs. It's on the lower end, but hey, I didn't get this for being my main workhorse. This is just for media consumption and connecting my earbuds too when I'm doing review on earbuds. So yeah, it does what it says it can do. It does everything that I need it to do. So I'm liking it. And again, I picked this up during Prime Day. So it was $199. Regular price is, I believe, is $299. And when this first came out 2 years ago, it was $499. So quite a big drop. And I believe TCL, the manufacturer, on their website, it's actually on sale for $199. And this one has, let me go over the specs real quick on this. All right, so the chipset on this one is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G. And as far as cameras go, we've got 48 megapixel main camera, 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel macro camera, and 2 megapixel depth camera. And the front camera is 32 megapixels. And as far as memory goes, this one has 6 gigabytes and 256 gigs for storage. And that can be upgraded up to 1 terabyte if you use a micro SD card. So yeah, I think that's all that I've got for this phone. I'll do an update review once I am able to use it for a little bit. But so far, I'm liking it, and at $199, I think it's a good buy. So if you guys are interested in this phone, I'll put a link up in the description. As always, the Amazon link is an affiliate link, so if you use the link to make a purchase, I'll receive a small commission, and you help support the channel at no additional cost. It's very, very much appreciated. And if you found this video helpful and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at TechMoGo. I'll see you in the next one.